Alright guys, so today I got a new car part. You remember me installing the Takeda intake? Well, I reverted back to stock and I sold it. And this is what I got instead. Titanium intake elbow. So it's gonna go in place of that. Here, I'm just gonna disconnect these two, and one in the back right here. So we'll see what happens. This one might be a little complicated to get to. Bad angle. Here's the intake. I gotta clean my fingerprints because titanium. We're gonna install these cup links over this and put it in, and let's see how it turns out. Short vlog. And after taking that shit off, trying to wiggle that, trying to line that, I finally got it on, and this is what it looks like. Not bad. It made my car pop too, randomly. And